Hi guys, and welcome to the first video of 6 explaining how to create your first project. Okay, to start off with, let's go ahead and click on Create New Project. You then firstly need to give your project a name. I'm just going to call it My First Project. In the second line, you would need to give your project a subdomain name. The subdomain is important because everything in our system lives in subdomains. For demonstration purposes, I will call this 1P. We're going to start off just in English. For our primary language, we'll also just have English. We'll have a separate video at some stage on how to set up multilingual support. You can then go ahead and click Create. At this point, there's quite a lot happening in the background. First of all, the cloud infrastructure is set up. The various folders dedicated to your project is also created. And your web pages are also automatically created. So by default, when you create a project, you automatically have sign up and sign in pages, a broadcast page, home, lobby, agenda, terms of use, privacy policy, under construction, unsubscribe, exhibition, and chat rooms. If we have a look at the first line of toggle switches, you'll see that some of them by default are activated. This means they are live. And these that are grayed out are not active and as such are hidden and cannot be seen by visitors to your site. Then apart from just web pages, you also have page elements. These are your header and your footer. These are also automatically created. We'll get back to them at a later stage when we set them up. If I quickly go into the header, you'll see there's two sections active. The one is the registered user view and guest view. So this is essentially what registered users or guests to your site will see. Apart from that, you also have emails that are created by default. So on the system you have 3 different email templates that are created. These are confirmation emails, invitation emails, and custom emails. If you want to know more about emails specifically, feel free to go have a look at our emails video tutorial. And then finally, you also have your reporting module that's created. In here, you've got 2 options, namely downloads and quick insight. All right, so that's a basic overview of everything that gets created when you click Create New Project. Have a look at the second part of this Creating Your First Project series, in which we'll be covering the web page overview.